I am Nikita Chavan. Today's my topic is the food wastage. The human basic needs, three human basic needs are the food, shelter, and water. The basic needs of the human beings to needs to survive, and therefore the when discuss we are discuss about the food. The food is the waste occurs along the entire spectrum of a production, from the farm to distribution to release to the consumers. Reasons include losses from molds, pests, and or inadequate climate control, losses from cooking, and intentional food wastage. Then food is the need for our body to provide energy to work and to survive. Food is the loss occurs before the food reaches the consumers as a result of storage and processing and distribution phases. Then food wastage refers to the that food consumption that consistently consumption phases. Wasted food has far-reaching effects both nationally and globally. In a produced goes uneaten, then about 95% of discarded food end up in the component of municipal solid waste at 21%. In 2014, more than 38% of generated with only 5% is diverted from landfills and landfills and insecreted for composting. Then the we are we in this India, we know about the population, and then large populations to use of foods, and you provided of many kind type of foods are provided. Then examples are the packaged food, natural food, as made of home fed food, as industrial companies made as food products. They provided to peoples. The raw materials are provided from the farmers. Farmers are growing our crops for the provided food to citizens, as through the materials. Various type of materials are available in market. Then the benefit of less food waste: cost saving on labor through more efficient handling, preparations, and storage of food are used. Then cost saving when purchasing only as much food as needed, and avoiding additional cost of to investing cost of disposal. Then the reduced methane emission from landfills, and lower carbon footprint. Then better management of energy and resource, preventing pollutions involved in the growth, manufacturing and transporting and selling of food. Then community benefits by providing donated, untouched, and safe food that would themselves otherwise be thrown out. Then the proposed of solutions to waste product. Then globally reducing wasted food has been cited as a key initiated in achieving sustained food food future. Then suitable development of global 12 global 12 addresses responsible consumption and produced two indicators to measure global food loss and food wastage. In USA on June 4, 2013, the Department of Agriculture and Environmental Protection Agency launched the US Food Wastage Challenge, calling on entities across the food chain across the food chain in across the food change across the food chains, including farms, agriculture process, food manufacturing process, grocery stores, universities and schools, and local government. The goals are this committee to reduce the food wastage, improving food product in development, storage, shopping, ordering, and marketing, labeling, and cooking methods. Then the recover food wastage by the conducting potential food donors to hungers relief organization and pantries. They recycle food wastage and feed animals or create compost, bioenergy and natural fertilizers. Natural fertilizers are useful for the agricultures. Then we we use waste of garbage or waste of fruits are for as the fertilizers used for the agriculture to growing the vegetables and the crops. Then the state government state and local government says the can incorporated food wastage prevention and education service to education camps for and implement to the municipal composting programs. The municipal composting programs are organized for to compose the garbage of in society, to collect they collect garbage from society and to collect the society from society, and they composed the garbage in as organized to plan to decompose it. Then then farmers can evaluate food losses during processing, distribution and storage, and adopt best practice. Farmers markets can sell ugly produced which discarded mishapen fruits and vegetables do not meet the usual agency. Then the recovery then the food recovery hierarchy. Then the steps of to food recovery steps are the source reduction, reduce the volume of food generated. Then the feed hungry people. Then donates the extra food to banks, and then soak kind kitchens and shelters. Then feed animals, divert food scraps to animals food feed. Then the industrial industrial uses. Then the provides waste oils for the waste for the food scraps for digestions to recover energy. Then composting creates a nutrients rich soil assessment. Then the landfill, then incineration last resort to decomposal. Then source reduction of then we reduce the food wastage, food pollutions, food wastage due to the source reduction. Feed hungry peoples, then feed animals, industrial uses, and the composting, and then the landfill last stage, the last restored and unused foods. Please don't waste food, because very in our country very peoples are sleep without any food. They are they are we they are be they are will be they are very hungry for the food, because his financial condition can't afford to food sales for. So please don't waste the food. Thank you.